CIMB Principal Islamic Asset Management is targeting to manage Islamic asset funds worth 5.95 billion ringgit by year-end from 4.9 billion ringgit at present. Its Chief Executive, Datuk Noripah Kamso, says that it is timely now for investors to look at Islamic-based financial product as it has money-making potential and that there is high potential for Islamic-based instruments globally.
As long as we can position Islamic asset management to be delivering performance at par with conventional, it should be able to penetrate the global world. Because on top of it being at par with the conventional, it also has got that risk embedded in it, and at the same time, it is for a social cause. It has got an underlying asset. It is very much fair distribution of wealth. It is ethical, So on top of performance, there is a social cost and ethical cost to it.
Speaking to reporters at a media briefing of a research study entitled Future of Investment, the Next Move, sampling 225 asset managers and pension funds in 30 countries, Noripah says that there seems to be a change in client behavior to a more simple, reputable and safe fund. These characteristics, she says, are found in Islamic asset as it is ethical and has controlled risk management. Noripah said demand for Islamic investment product is increasing with a vast range of investment alternatives such as sukuk, commodity funds and hedge funds currently available in the world market. On a separate matter, a fellow panelist during the briefing, Chief Operating Officer of fund management company Principal Global Investors, Barbara McKenzie, says that the research study reveals that a majority of asset manager expects regulatory pressure and fee compression to intensify over the next 3 years due to the after effects of the financial crisis.
I think we will definitely see increased regulation around hedge funds and increased regulation around over-the-counter derivatives. That should be no surprise to any of you because it's featured prominently in most regulatory discussions globally today. Why those two areas? Well, again, as you think about the build-up in leverage or gearing in the markets and also the purchasing of illiquid assets, a lot of that was going on within hedge funds, and the lack of regulation and transparency around what they were doing kind of allowed that to happen without regulators really understanding the magnitude of it. So certainly I would expect hedge funds to become regulated, and I would also expect over-the-counter derivatives to move probably fairly quickly onto exchanges so that the exposures become much more transparent to regulators.
CIMB Principal Islamic Asset Management is a partnership between Principal Global Investor and CIMB Group. The research also revealed that retail clients are more likely to prefer a safe guarantee of their principal amount than wanting additional returns from their investment. Noripah adds that the financial crisis has pushed retail and institutional investors to focus more on integrity, honesty, transparency and investing in tangible assets, and Sharia-based finance can fulfill that need.